Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel. I am in front of Gateway of India right now, and you can see Gateway of India behind me, and this is Taj Mahal, which was attacked in 2008 terrorist attack, and it was badly damaged, and but now they have restored it to the previous glory. So I'm very excited to be here. I was here long back, but I was not vlogging during that time, maybe around 9 years back, and again I am here, the same spot after 9 years, guys. So this place is awesome, but since it's a start of summer, it's a bit hot over here. It's always better to come early in the morning, like early before 8 o'clock, to be here. It is idle time, or in the evening, or after 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. That will be the best time to be here. So but I was late here. I reached at 10:30 here. Right now the time is 10:30. The sun is coming up. It's difficult to be here for a long time in the sun. So once you come here, you can take very good pictures. There are people who can take pictures of you. They cost around 30 rupees. They take around 5-6 photos of you, and they'll print out and they'll give. And also you have boating from here for elephant caves. So I'll be exploring few of that. It costs around 150 rupees. That's what they are saying right now. So I'll take a beautiful shots of this place now. You can enjoy it. Then I'll tell you what I am going to do, guys. Okay. Okay guys, I'm wrapping it from the Gateway of India. So we'll see in the next video. Until then, bye bye.